Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. This is a 1941 military half-ton 4x4 by Greenlight. This casting is not new. I had it for a while and I finally took it out of the box, so thought maybe show you guys. I've seen multiple colors of this casting. I think I've seen one in black, other one in silver. This is the one I have. Starting from the front now. So in the front, you've got some nice details. You can see the big metal bumper with fog lamps, a winch, a grill or bull bar covering the entire front with this headlamps there behind it. It's an older vehicle, so that's why you can see those classic design split. Obviously it's modified, it doesn't look like standard to me. You don't get mirrors here, I don't know why, no windshield wipers either. Now, moving to the driver's side, again some nice details here. Huge wheels here. Looks like beadlock tires. Obviously these are rubber from Greenlight. Some details, it says Big John's Texaco, John Colwell works, well I can't pronounce that, Texas. So I think somebody owns it, didn't make that design. It's a regular cab, so 2-door and obviously 2 or 3 seats inside. You also got the exhaust on the side, big stalks like you see on the big trucks, metal pipes going all the way up. And also on the side you can see a shovel, which is again detailed, looks good. And these looks like rivets, which mostly were used before like finer welding techniques came in. They used that to make beds or boxes. Now you also get the step here, doesn't seem that big though. Coming to the back, again some nice details there, big metal bumper, detailed tail lamp, Texaco written on the back, and again same rivet designs. And from the back you can also see the tiny window that sees out. On the passenger side, I guess it's almost identical. The only difference I can see, instead of shovel, here is an axe on this side, which is again detailed, looks good. Same exhaust pipe on this side too. And this is how the bed looks. I don't know if that's a toolbox, looks like one that's in the bed. Looks nice though, and it also got some good details when it comes to the chassis. So you can see you have got both the differentials, looks like exhaust there and shafts, so good details on the bottom too. Looks nice. That's got a separate chassis how you would have on actual truck rather than having just a base. So actually the bottom is nicely detailed, looks really good. So overall, I don't know if it's still in production or still in market, but I think if you like these vehicles, you might wanna get one, I guess. I like this one. I actually was looking for the black one, but then I found this one. So yeah, if you can find one and if you're into those old trucks, I think you're gonna like it. Well, those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.